Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will talk about the physics of the safety feature of modern cars from the perspective of a layman. There is no doubt that to have a good and fancy car is among one of the many dreams of every single person. And additionally, it is a very common experience that everybody also loves his or her car. But this is also true that very few of us know about the safety features of modern cars. The safety features in modern cars are divided into three categories. Number one, crash protection features. Number two, crash avoiding features. And number three, driver features. In this video, I will talk about the crash protection feature of modern cars. The crash protection feature includes the following three protection measures. Number one, crumple zones. Number two, seat belts. And number three, airbags. Discussing all these three features will take very long, and my experience on YouTube tells that most people don't like long videos. So I prefer to discuss here crumple zones only. So we usually want our cars to be strong and safe, but the science of designing cars proves that weakness can also be a strength for saving lives and accidents. Due to this reason, modern cars are manufactured with crumple zones. The crumple zones are specific areas designed to collapse and change shape on impact in order to absorb and redistribute as much of the crash energy as possible. These areas include, number one, the bumpers, which are fitted on the front and rear of vehicles. Number two, crash boxes, which are fitted right behind the bumpers. And number three, the longitudinal beams. These three elements are designed for different levels of shock absorbing. Minor shock can be absorbed by the bumpers only, leaving the crash boxes and longitudinal beams unaffected. On the other hand, all the three elements will collapse in severe accident. The cabin of vehicle is constructed as a rigid structure, working to stay intact and protect the passenger while the crumple zones are damaged instead. Now, crumple zones vary from car to car. They can be made to withstand a large impact such as that experienced by racing vehicles, or to withstand a smaller impact typical of general use road cars. According to Newton's second law of motion, force is directly proportional to acceleration. So if the acceleration is held, the magnitude of force will also be held. Crumple zones are therefore designed to reduce the deceleration of a vehicle, resulting in a corresponding reduction of force exerted on the vehicle. The way in which crumple zone collapse also increases the time it takes for a car to come to complete stop, resulting in a corresponding reduction in the magnitude of deceleration. Other improvements in car design safety includes such things as strength and stiffness requirements of side doors to help protect occupants in a side impact. Stable steering columns to minimize the risk of crushing or piercing injuries from frontal impact. Anti-burst door locks and padding on instrument panels.